G'day everyone, welcome back. We left off being finally done with the foundations and concrete, and now going to get started on actually building up this subfloor, and then we can start framing after that. So sill plates are going to be next, and we're going to have to get those worked out and get them bolted down onto the foundation wall, as well as this load bearing wall in the middle is going to tie into a bolt on each end. And then we can start laying out our floor joists, and we can then lay the subfloor. Now, the first step is going to be to get our 28 by 36 measurement worked out on top of this wall, because I did take everything out an inch on every side to give myself a little wiggle room in case I didn't have it perfectly square. As it turned out, when I measured the corners after I laid the block, I was within about 1/8 of an inch of square over the 46-foot diagonal. So we should be pretty good, but I'm gonna measure that out again, get it perfectly square, and then we can start laying down the sill plates. All right, let's get stuck into it. So where we got to yesterday was laying out all of these, getting the rim boards on, and the joist hangers just loosely in place. And you can see it over in the far corner there, doing the little hatch so I can get down there later on. So we need to come along, well, I need to come along, get all these joist hangers nailed in, and then my mate Conrad is on his way, and we're gonna start laying out the subfloor. All right, so the all-important question, how much did this component of the build cost? The answer is $4,700. So where that came in was the floor joists were $2,900, then the rim boards was $600. The subfloor was another $900. We had $300 in kind of the hardware stuff, like the metal connectors, joist hangers, as well as like the glue and that sort of stuff too. hold everything down, and the nails, or the scrails that I used. So yeah, all in, that's 47, and adding that on to the cost of the foundation, which was 38. So far we're in it for $8,500. And yeah, that is just the house part, not anything else that I've done around, like the septic system and the solar and all that stuff. I'm just gonna focus on what it costs to actually build the house itself. And hopefully that way it's a little more relatable to anybody else in the situation. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna start framing. Today's the day. So yeah, come back for that one. And yeah, I'll see you then.